Agar.io, Hold.io, Slither.io. If you've played any of these games before, chances are you were lied to. Most IO games make the player think they're playing on a real server against real people, but in reality, everyone is a bot. But today, we're going to change that and make a .io game with real multiplayer. First of all, why exactly do these games fake multiplayer? Well, it includes the cost implications of hosting real-time multiplayer sessions, the complexity of coding efficient networking, matchmaking systems, and the challenges of maintaining a smooth user experience across the web. You get the idea. But I found the solution. A free game engine with built-in netcode and server hosting. Basically a way for a complete idiot to make their own IO game. Not that I'm an idiot, but like, just like for you guys to use. So today, I'm going to prove IO game companies wrong by challenging my friend Bargy to see who can make the most popular IO game in 2 hours. Something that should not be possible. Enjoy the video and consider subscribing if you like it. Bargy!
How's it going?
How do you think your game is gonna go?
Better than yours. That's kind of my only plan that I'm going into with this, which I don't think is going to be too hard.
Alright, so let's start off by making a brand new game project. Ah, there's so many people! Ah!
I haven't told you how to make it private. You're gonna have to make your game with all these people in it.
Well, you know what? They're gonna help me. My chat would never want to troll me. That would be crazy. Can user 1069 please stop pushing me? Excuse. Okay, can you guys maybe? As soon as I press this button, the challenge will officially begin. In 3, 2, 1. Go, 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 go! Good luck!
Right,
good luck, Bargy! Just kidding. I hope he loses. And we already know that's what's going to happen because I was keeping a little secret from Bargy, but this is IO game tutorial. I spent hours on this presentation making sure it was absolutely perfect. Oh, wait, one sec. Alright, so the first thing that every IO game needs are skins. And I've actually demonstrated this for you all with a little, this is a minion skin from, I'm not sure actually what game this is from, but I'm sure it's a really good game. So if we want to make the best IO game, we need to have the best skins. Right now, everyone is a pig for some reason. What skins should I add? IDK. Really helpful, guys. Thank you. Thank you so much. I could not have asked for better players. This is amazing. Any. Stretch out Among Us. It's time to design our very first skin. Not only am I an IO game expert, but I'm actually a professional artist too. So this should be pretty easy. We have the Among Us body and then the little oxygen tank thing on the back. There we go. It is absolutely perfect. But it's missing one thing. We don't want a boring, ordinary Among Us. It needs to be a stretched out Among Us. That's absolutely beautiful. You can, no! Stop pushing me! Guys, stop pushing me in the PvP arena and killing me. We don't have time for this. A fellow Among Us, Mr. Noob IK. We should get away from these stupid pigs. The Among Uses are spreading. They're spreading. All right, so we have our first skin in the game, but we are going to need a lot more if this is going to be the greatest IO game in the world. So I'm going to consult my amazing group of players again. What is the next skin? I'm putting a lot of trust in you guys, please. Please don't do something dumb. Bargy skin. I like the way you're thinking. You guys might know Bargy as this colorful, handsome monkey right here, but I have a photo of Bargy that has been completely removed from the internet. This is a photo of Bargy from his first ever YouTube video. And if he sees this as a skin in our game, he is going to absolutely hate me. Nobody tell Bargy. Bargy is going to kill me if he sees anybody with this skin in my game. So that means I have to make this skin expensive to make sure that nobody uses it. So let's just... Okay, fine. Maybe just a little bit cheaper. I am now Bargy. He's going to kill me. I'm scared. Why are there so many guys? Stop. There's too many. He's gonna, guys. He's gonna kill me. He's gonna kill me. He's gonna kill me. Give me more skin ideas. I think we need at least 3 more skins, and then we should probably move on because we've already used 20 minutes on 2 skins. Sussy Wussy. Oh, this is absolutely perfect. We cannot have a PolyMars game without Sussy Wussy. So let's go ahead and watch this tutorial on how to draw Sussy Wussy. Okay. Oh god, oh god. He's going too fast. He's going too fast. Stop! He's already on the ears. What? He's already on the ears. He already finished the ears. No, 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 no. Please stop. No, please, please. He's absolutely beautiful. Look at him. Sussy Wussy is added. And who added this skin, guys? This isn't funny, okay? It's Fimes. You know what you've done, it's Fimes. Come with me! Come with me, it's Fimes. No, it... Okay, I may have trapped myself instead of it's Fimes, but we tried, we tried. You're not getting away from me, it's Fimes. Go, go, go! Go, go, quick, go, quick! We got him! It's Fimes is trapped in here forever! Technically, I'm trapped in here too, but... More skin ideas! Let's look at some of your skin submissions. What is it with you guys and Dream? What even is... Why did Dream take this photo? What is this? And with that, I think our IO game has enough skins. Just real quick, I added a good one. Alright, I'm trusting you, chat. I'm trusting you, chat. I better not regret this, chat. I'm trusting you. You know what? Do you really want this skin in the game, guys? Sure, we can have this skin in the game. Why don't all of you go put on this skin right now? Oh no! It's time to move on. The greatest IO game needs to have the greatest skins, right? And we have that covered. But the next component of a great IO game is PvP. Whether you're a circle that is consuming other circles. I actually don't understand that game. Or your snakes trapping each other. Or tanks shooting at each other. Every IO game needs some sort of PvP. Our IO game already has a PvP area set up for us. So, up here where everyone's at is the safe area. There's no PvP enabled here. If I try to attack someone, nothing will happen. But if I go down here, PvP is enabled. Thankfully, I'm a pro. Oh, of course, it's fine. So we already have some sword fighting, but I think we need some cooler weapons. So every IO game has a completely unique form of PvP, but the one thing that connects them all together are upgrades. This is actually a screenshot of the last time I played Agario. You know, I'm pretty decent at it. In every IO game, the more you kill people, the more you get good. To put it in scientific terms like that. So right now, when you kill someone... So right now, when you kill... So right now, when... So right now... Pretend like this is my character and there's someone right here and it's like... Pew, 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 pew. Ah! So as you can see, when you kill someone, a score gets added to your counter. So what we can do is make upgrades that you can purchase with your score to get even stronger. Just like in the best IO games. Okay guys, Bargie's calling me. We may have spent the first hour on skins, so we definitely need to pretend like we are further along than we actually are. Bargie!
Hello.
Ah,
How's it going, man?
it's going great.
Yeah?
Yeah, we have like a lot.
Okay.
We have like all the skins and like
Yeah.
all the...
You just added skins then, yeah?
No, well how's your game doing?
Mine's doing great. We've got a spawn, we've got a shop with multiple weapons in it. We've got a rocket launcher, an assault rifle, a stick. We've got PvP zones, so you have to leave the spawn to be able to.
That seems solid. That seems solid.
Yeah. See, so what my strategy for the challenge was to do it properly, which I don't think.
I mean, ours is like looking good too. We have like some skins.
Is there a reason you're doing so bad then, or what?
Oh my gosh, bro, my Discord is like lagging out so bad right now. It's going at like I think my computer's gonna like crash or something. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh, what the? Just kidding. Like I was saying earlier, before Bargie came and completely ruined our stream, is when you kill people, a score gets added to your counter, and we can use the score to purchase upgrades. So what we're gonna do is, if we have an Among Us, then we need to have a knife. I confirm that I am not infringing any copyrights by uploading this asset. This asset is created by me, and/or I was permitted to share this asset to the public. Fun fact, I actually did create Among Us. We have the Among Us knife. It looks a little scuffed, but it's there. So we have melee weapons, but our game is missing something very important. A ranged weapon. So I know exactly what we need to add. A banana gun. A new item, a ranged weapon. The banana gun will shoot a banana. Okay, and if I get to 10 score, now I have 10 score. Now I have a banana. Okay, I don't think the banana gun looks quite right. So the banana gun is a little bit scuffed, but we don't have too much time. So let's make a rocket grenade launcher. I don't know if that's a thing. I think that's a thing in real life. Let's get some TNT. Minecraft rocket launcher. Oh, there's so many TNTs. Oh, I don't think they explode yet. All right, so we have a rocket launcher that looks a little bit scuffed that can shoot TNT, but the TNT does not explode. So we need to go ahead and go to our entities on destroy. Let's add a sound. 55 seconds, please. I have to make the TNT kill you, or else we do not have a game. Okay. Oh. Wait, this? Destroy this entity? Is that all we need? Oh no, you also want. Oh, okay. Wait. Okay, wait. All right, just in time. Let's hope that our rocket launcher actually works. Bargie! Hey!
How's it going?
My game is fire. My game is absolutely fire.
Yeah, well, I'm not sure about that, man, but whose game we trying first?
I mean, we could save the best for last. We could save the best for last.
All right,
so
let's do yours.
I'll jump into yours.
No.
Let me. Okay.
Send the link over. What is this?
Look.
Is that me?
I don't know how that got in there.
You did nothing. You just added a load of images. What is this? This is great, man. This is great.
Look, there's like TNT. There's also a banana gun for 10 scores. Go to the skin shop.
All right. Yeah, no, I'm good, but that's awesome.
What do you think?
Honestly, we've done a lot of these challenges, right? Like, never once have I been like 100% sure that I've made a better game than you until today.
I haven't even seen your game. I'm sure it's not that much better than mine.
So, I'll give you a tour. We got our shop down here. If you go into the skin shop, you'll see a beautiful selection of handcrafted skins.
Wait. What? I mean, these are kind of
anyway.
mid. These are kind of mid. You added some pre-made bushes. That's cool.
So yeah, that's my game. What do you think?
I mean, it's cool. I mean, it's obviously not. It's not quite my game, but all right. It is time to decide who created the better multiplayer.io game, Bargy or PolyMars plus plus.
I have a feeling they will vote yours.
No, I'm gonna make sure that my chat is completely unbiased, so it should be fine.
Wait, what's he saying?
Nothing. I was telling my chat to make sure that they're unbiased. Chat, you know what to do.
Oh,
So
they're
far,
tied.
It's tied. So far, so good. PolyMars.
Oh, this is
I like
ridiculous.
This. I like this.
This
I
is
mean,
ridiculous.
dude.
This is rigged. I'm actually sad about this. I put so much effort into my game, man.
Well, are you implying that I didn't put effort into my game?
Yeah, I am. I actually hate this.
I mean, you saw my game, dude. You saw my game.
Yeah, and that's why I'm annoyed.
10, 9, 8,
Guys, please. I just need one more.
7. Oh, it's tied. It's tied. Oh no, no. Yes.
No, please, please.
One vote.
No. I hate you.
And there we go. PolyMars plus.
You didn't do anything, man. It's rigged.
All right. You know what, Bargy? Because the poll was so close, how about we pick a winner a new way?
Oh yeah?
1 week from now, whoever's game has the most players in it will officially be the best.io game. Is that a deal?
I guess.
All right, guys, go play my game right now with a link in the description so we can destroy Barge.
Yeah, I'm not listening to all that.